Hey guys, welcome back to Red Flower Farms. So in today's video, I am doing a soap inspired by one of our favorite YouTubers. I'm not going to tell you which one. You guys need to guess who in the comments below.
Joey, hee hee hee.
Shh! You're not supposed to tell them. That's Ivy. She's going to be doing commentary on this video today.
Hi.
Alright, let's start this video.
Cue the music.
Wow.
Mommy, what are you doing? That looks like a big piece of poop.
Hey, that's not nice. I'm making embeds. I'm pushing the soap dough through the piping tip. That way it's all even.
Mom, don't cut your finger off. Be careful.
Alright, I'll be careful.
Mom, that looks like a hot dog. Hot diggity dog.
Wow.
Mom, how many days does it take for you to make this soap?
This is day 3, Ivy. Day 3.
Mom, smells yummy. Mom, the soap is making me hungry. First hot dogs, then whipped cream.
Hot dogs and whipped cream don't sound good.
Wow.
Alright, Ivy, I'm almost done. What do you think it is going to be?
I think it's hot dogs and ice cream. Is dinner ready?
Hot dogs and ice cream? You're just so silly. Ivy, I'm going to cut it.
No. Ta-da!
What do you think, Ivy? Do you like it?
I like it because it's a dog. Can I go play now?
Okay, Ivy, go play. Bye, Ivy. Off she goes. I guess she's done. Alright guys, don't forget to leave a comment below on who you think this soap is inspired by. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell. That way you guys get notifications every time I post a video.
Wow.